Goedemorgen, leuk dat jullie er zijn. Welkom bij het webinar van Succeedit over de slimme en krachtige applicatie Navigate Pro. Een korte introductie, ik ben Marielle Vos. Ik werk nu ruim 3 jaar bij Succeedit met veel plezier. Ik hou me bezig met evenementen, social media. En ik doe dit webinar samen met Loredana en Davide. Loredana, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, good morning. I'm Loredana Fayeta and I work in the commercial department of InfoStudy. Hi everybody.
Great, thanks. Davide, can you introduce yourself?
Good morning to all. I am a senior consulting in an InfoStudio and I will show the practical use of Navigate Pro. So enjoy the meeting.
Great, thanks. Korte agenda. We beginnen met de presentatie van Loredana, die iets gaat vertellen over InfoStudy, het bedrijf achter Navigate Pro. Dan neemt Davide het over, die meer informatie zal geven over de slimme applicatie Navigate Pro, hoe het werkt, wat de voordelen zijn. En een korte demonstratie, hoe het eigenlijk werkt in Business Central. En hij zal nog een korte klantcase bespreken van een hele tevreden klant die het al een aantal jaren met succes gebruikt. En dan sluiten we af met eventuele vragen. Dan geef ik nu graag het woord aan Loredana. Okay, Loredana, can you continue?
Yes, sure. So InfoStudy was founded in 1987. We provide solutions through the best products and technologies in order to deliver software solutions and support in information systems projects. In this chart, you can see what we offer. So consulting, training, support projects, and also the fields we are involved in, so such as business intelligence, ERP, infrastructures, and software engineering. Our headquarters is in Milan, but we also have an office in Vicenza, which is in the Venice area. So, okay. So we set up important partnerships with big companies, such as Peugeot, Citroën, PPG, and Moleskine, quite a lot of companies. And here we are with our app, Navigate Pro, which was developed by InfoStudy in 2018. In fact, we were the first company in Italy to have published a business app on the Microsoft Store. No, I just wanted to add that Navigate Pro is a graphical tool that allows you to navigate through documents in BC and Nav, and it's an app that produces an interactive flow of documents related to the selective starting document. It helps you find and access documents in just one click. And, here we can see where it runs. It runs, on premises, on any supported versions, and on cloud, you can download it directly from the Microsoft outsource. And with Navigate Pro, you will be able to manage a large number of documents in sales, purchase, warehouse, manufacturing, and drop shipments. So it's an app that can really change the way you have always used Business Central. It can improve the use of it. It makes you save time, because with just one click, you can find all the related documents you are looking for. Okay, so now I will pass the word to my colleague, Davide.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. I'm going to share you some example using Business Central. We're going to see some example in sales area. Anyway, sales and purchase are completely mirrored, so it doesn't change. And I think I'm going to show you a couple of examples. Let's start. If you have to find how many shipments or invoices are related to a sales order, what you usually do in Business Central. You just open a sales order list. The card of the list is the same. You go through Navigate and you start navigate through the menu to find all the documents. So here we have 3 shipments. And if we start looking for invoices, we see that normal Business Central doesn't show you any invoices. Is it correct? I don't think so. So let's try using Navigate Pro. As you can see, just one click. And we find the 3 shipments, right? It is correct, but there is an invoices. We didn't find in a normal navigation. Why? Because this invoice has been generated using get shipment lines and not directly from the sales order. As you can see, the only operation we did with Navigate Pro is just clicking one button, nothing else. From the graphical design, we can navigate through documents, just double-clicking on the document, and the system will prompt you to the sales invoice. And if we would like to start a new Navigate Pro processing, we can just start the process again. In this case, we will not see the other shipments because the other shipments are not in this document. They belong to different branches of the process. As you can see, the darker document is the starting document of your research, while the other documents are shown in different color. And as you can see, it is fast, just one click. Of course, it is time saving. You don't need to train your people because every people can just click one button. And one more important thing, when you are very complex situation, like the one I'm going to show you, you will have different result from Navigate through Business Central or through Navigate Pro, because Business Central in this case doesn't show you all the returned order processing. I mean, you will see the active flow from sales order, but not the passive part. So you can have much more information, and you have the complete kind of information. Starting from the Navigate Pro design, you have another opportunity to export your data in Excel using a tabular design this way. And starting from Excel, you can pivot the data and make some analysis on the data. In this case, there are not too much documenting your layout, but thinking to have about maybe 60, 70 documented and connected. If you have a big sales order, this is possible to have multiple shipments. So you can just insert a pivot table and, I don't know, just plot some data for type. And so we have a small analysis. As you can see, I would like to explain you again the benefits you have with Navigate Pro. Of course, time saving, no learning time, and much more information than standard Business Central. And one of our partners using Navigate Pro that accept to be tracked for analysis is Snoopy. Snoopy is a company that produce piping system for plumbing. Honestly, they start a new area of working about heating system, floor heating system. So it's interesting. And Snoopy is using Navigate Pro since June 2022. Okay, they are satisfied. They are around 130 Nav Business Central users, not all on Navigate Pro. And being in information, the product is used from accounting sales office area, accounting for controls for the user, and sales office usually do customer care process, because from an order you can know how many shipments are there, if there are warehouse shipments, so something in process, not yet shipped but being prepared. They can know how many invoices are there, if there is something wrong and the customer has problem with sales order orders and so on. They can see credit memo, and they can have all the data in just one place. So it's much more easier for them to tracking what happens. As you can see, why they are all the things they say. I said before. What can we see about how many times they use them? This is the technical survey we did this year. April is a work in progress, so there are much less access to Navigate Pro. And what you can see, the data number are the working day. So you can see from January to March, they use Navigate Pro every day, every working day. So if you have Navigate Pro and you have many documents, of course you will use it. So Mariel, I finished. We come back.
Great.
I give you back the control.
Thank you for your presentation, for your information. And I'm a bit curious. Are there questions? Zijn er vragen? We wait for some questions.
I saw a question. I saw a question in chat. They asked about where are documents stored. Navigate Pro just read document. It doesn't write anything. So your data they will never be touched. Just read it. So you can install, disinstall, uninstall Navigate Pro every time with no effect on the system. So there are no breaking change, no blocking of the usual work. It's just a reading system. So it's just in memory, just in time. No data is written.
And it's also important to say that the price is per tenant and not per user, not per single
That's
user.
right.
Yes.
So it's,
Exactly. Thank you, Loredana.
well, anyway, you can find all the information in our website. Under plans and features, there are all the informations that one may need.